So we've imported some Nessus results. We've done a little bit of scanning using Metasploit. So we've actually got some data in our database. And we can take a look at the hosts that we've got. At this point, we've actually popped up 3 devices. One of them was from the SMB scan that we did, and the other 2 were from the Nessus scan. So I can take a look at the ports that we have found to be open, called services, and now I've got a list of all of the ports, and you can see 64 found port 445 running SMB2. That was open. That, again, came from the SMB scan that we performed. So now I've got my hosts in here. I've got the services that are listening. I actually want to take a look at the vulnerabilities that I've got. So I can list the vulnerabilities that we have found, and here we've actually got a lot of vulnerabilities because Nessus turned up a lot of vulnerabilities from the scan that was performed. And now I've got the challenge of going and digging through all of these vulnerabilities to see if I can find anything that's useful. So again, we've actually got a lot of data stored in the database here in Metasploit, and I've got all of this listed by host and the time that it was generated and the name of the vulnerability, and of course some references as well. And the references hopefully will give us some ability to do a little bit of digging to see if we can find some vulnerabilities that we may be able to make use of here within Metasploit. Now, what we probably want to be looking for here is like CVEs, for example. Even better than that is something like this MS06040. So that's something that we could do some searches on. Now, this is how the vulnerabilities come listed here in Metasploit. It's just this long list, and it takes some time to go digging through to see if we can find particular vulnerabilities that we may be able to make use of. So right now, it's just some chunking through all of the data that we've got and see if we can find something that we actually want to go searching for. And we'll go searching for some vulnerabilities, and I'll show you how to go about doing that in the next video.